Father made chicken wings in 62. He was at a restaurant on Jefferson near Cayuga, a very small place. And he got the idea from a friend of his in Washington. And he started selling chicken wings here, and it became a big to-do. So he moved his restaurant, actually he was at Carlton in Jefferson, and he moved up the street to Utica in Jefferson, which is where most people know wings and things. And he said when he started selling the wings there out of Jefferson and Utica, people were lined up for blocks waiting for this chicken wings with mambo-sauce. Hopefully, as time goes on, we'll be able to introduce the younger generation to the original buffalo wing, which is a whole wing, not a cut wing, whole wing in mambo-sauce. So that's my father's story, and that's what I stick by.